we are finally doing this. Wait, is my fucking windscreen frozen? Shit. Oh no, it's fine. I'm gonna go pick Steve up now. Then we need to get food and like just some lunch and also drink. We need water. Gonna need water today. Right, I'm at Steve's house. I think I'm at Steve's house. I've told him I'm here. Steve? Steve? Timing wise, everything's gone well so far. My wake up time was spot on. Sort of getting ready time was spot on. My time to be at Steve's house, I'm early, so we're doing well, we're doing well. Here he comes. There he is. Steve. Steve's an old friend from school. I'm just gonna go help him put his shit in. Okay, so what you're seeing here is just a little safety brief from the marshals before any games started. They were just explaining things like the rules of their site and giving us a breakdown of the day, basically. After that, they told us we've got 2 minutes to have a quick drink or finish getting your gear, whatever you need to do, and then we'd be heading out onto the field for the first game. Shortly before this scene here where we're in the woods, this is basically our respawn point. We were taken by one of the marshals to our team's end of the field and the other team was over the other end, and we were basically just waiting out for everyone to be in position and to start the game. So just as a bit of a kind of a disclaimer almost, this is mine and Steve's first ever time playing at this place, so we've got no idea how anything's laid out. It's all totally new to us. So at this kind of beginning bit, well, this whole first game really, you kind of see me doing stuff like this. I'm trying to figure out where's good to go, what has good angles and all that sort of thing. So yeah, it's all, if we're looking a bit lost, it's because it's all totally new to us. So the objective of this first game was to basically hold the church, which was that brown building in front of me just then. That one there where the two marshals in orange are on top of. That's the church, and basically, yeah, you've got to hold that. So fight your way to it, clear out anyone inside, keep your people inside, and yeah, you just got to hold out. So at this point we've taken the church and we're just holding it. There's many times also in this video where I should have been using like switching shoulders with my gun, but because I had the GoPro, you can just see it in the shadow there, because I had the GoPro on my left shoulder, when I had switched shoulders, I did it a couple of times but I think I cut it out. When I switch shoulders, it blocks the view and it's not very comfortable really. So there were times where I should have been switching shoulders. There I've just been hit. But yeah, I should have been switching shoulders in some parts, but I wasn't. Right behind the caravan. This one here. Oh, you got it. Caravan window. Him up, no, he's definitely dead. This part coming up here, just before this clip started, I saw a guy dart across into one of the buildings on the left, and I knew this building only had one door to it, so I knew he had to come back out that same way. So I was literally just set up here, just waiting for him to poke his head out or exit the building or something. So I just literally sat here and waited, but before he could come out of the building, the marshal ended up blowing his whistle to signal that the game had ended. Alright guys, that is going to signal the end of the video. If you're still here and you stuck around to the end, thank you very much. I'm very much appreciate that. I have a lot more footage from this same day that I will edit at some point, put together, but I wanted to keep only the first game in, or just one game, because I did film a lot, it did go on for quite a while, and I don't want the videos to get boring. That's why I've decided to only have the one game in. So if you enjoy, obviously this is new for me, so if you enjoyed this kind of content, drop a like, and that will let me know that obviously you like it, and yeah, I'll edit the rest of the footage, and hopefully it all turns out good and I can keep posting these videos. We definitely plan on going airsoft more, so yeah, if you guys do like it, I'll keep filming and keep putting the videos together. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.